So over here you can see that I have a picture, and let's say I want to go around and add in a bevel at the edges so that it goes around and seems like it's bumping up. So in that case you can go around onto the filter right here, and then you can go around onto the decor section right here, and over here you can see that Add Bevel is an option. Once you go around over here, you can change around the thickness right here, and then I'm just going to go around and work on a copy of the layer right here and press OK. So once I go around and do that, then what happens is that it adds in a bump right here, as you can see right here. So you can see that there's a bit of a whitish bump right here. So this is the before right here, and this is the after. So let's just go around over here, and then let's just close around, and then this is what you have. So subtle change over here, as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. Let me just go around over here onto the filters and go to decor right here and add in a bevel again. Let me just change around the thickness right here, just like this, really high, and press OK right here, just like this. And then what happens is that bump is added in. So you can see that in the edges right here, there's a bit of a bump right here. So this is the before, this is flat right here, and this is the bump. Or you can go around and add in just a bit of a bump as well. So let's just go around and change this around into the value of 10 right here and press OK. And once you do that, only a little bit of shuttle bump right here is there, as you can see. So there's a bit of a whitish bump right here, really subtle bump, as you can see right here, just like this. So if I were to go around onto the side, you can see that there's dark right here and there's bump. So there's the before right here with no bumps, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around, there's no bumps right here, but over here you can see the bumps around over here on the side. So let me just go around over here and zoom in, and then let me just go around. So there's a bit of bump, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and add in the bevel filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.